Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda and today we are getting ready for the festive holiday season. Tons of holiday hosting. I hope you have some wonderful plans coming up. Awesome time for dinner parties. And of course, I have got your recipes covered and I'm joined today by my friends over at Ducktrap to make your holiday table extra special. Today we're going to be using Ducktrap's smoke roasted salmon. This is the cracked pepper and garlic flavor. And we're going to use it to make stuffed mushroom caps. Now this salmon is so delicious. It's already cooked, so you don't have to worry about cooking it in your oven or on a pan before we use it in a recipe. The skin peels right off, and because it's already seasoned, it's got that really savory garlic, it's got that spicy black pepper, and it's already lightly smoked. It's got a little bit of salt, so it really requires not a lot of prep work, which I love, and it makes my holiday prep so much easier. It flakes beautifully, and it combines really well with the cream cheese, the dill, the lemon, you'll see in our recipe for today. You'll add 16 ounces of baby bella mushrooms into a medium bowl, drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil over the mushrooms and season with some salt and pepper. Lightly toss and then set these aside. Next, you're going to take your Ducktrap smoke roasted salmon. You'll remove the skin and place the salmon on a cutting board. Finally, chop the salmon into small pieces and then you're going to set the cutting board aside. Combine 4 ounces of full-fat cream cheese, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill, 2 thinly sliced scallions, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 garlic clove that's been grated, and an 1/8 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Use a spatula to mix everything together until it's well combined and smooth. Then you'll fold in your salmon pieces. Again, you're going to mix until everything is well combined. Taste it, and if needed, add additional salt and pepper, but you likely won't, especially because the salmon is already so well seasoned. Take 1 mushroom cap at a time and either use a spoon to spoon the filling into the mushroom cavities, or you can even transfer this to a piping bag to pipe the filling into the mushroom cavity. But you're going to tightly pack all of your mushroom caps with your salmon cream cheese filling. Once they're done, place your salmon caps onto a baking tray that's been lined with parchment paper, making sure to leave the cream cheese side facing up. Last, you're going to combine 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that's melted, 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, and 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Use a fork to mix everything together until your panko breadcrumbs are really well coated in your melted butter. Then, carefully take each mushroom cap one at a time, and you're going to overturn them, the cream cheese side, into the panko mixture and tightly pack the panko over the cream cheese mixture. You're going to bake your stuffed mushrooms in an oven that's been preheated to 400 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes, or until the mushrooms are tender but not soggy and the tops are beautifully golden brown. Remove your mushrooms from the oven once they've finished baking and let them cool down for just a minute or so. You can garnish with a little bit more dill. It gives a beautiful pop of color, and then serve these while they're warm. And with that, I'm ready to dive right into our stuffed mushroom caps. The panko just beautifully toasted. The Parmesan cheese gives such a savory flavor. But really, we have to give a shout out to the true star of the show here, which is our Ducktrap smoke roasted salmon. Again, we use the cracked pepper and garlic flavor in our recipe today. I love that it is already smoked. I don't have to cook it. Honestly, I like using it right in my sandwiches. If I want to have a really easy and quick lunch, I do mix it in with my salads sometimes for, an easy dinner, and it's always a hit because it's so flavorful and it really doesn't require much extra work from me. Thank you so much for joining me today making our holiday ready stuffed mushroom caps, and thank you also to my friends over at Ducktrap. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if you want to know where you can find your Ducktrap salmon, go onto their website and it'll tell you exactly where you can find it in your area and give this recipe a try. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.